So in this video, we wish to take a look at how we can construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and the length of one other side. So here we have two lengths. The longer length here on the right hand side will clearly be the hypotenuse because the largest side in a triangle is always opposite the largest angle. So in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is always the largest side. And so this line here on the left then must be one of the other sides of our right angled triangle. So the first thing we are going to do is draw a straight line, like so. And we're going to pick a point anywhere you so choose on that line. Now, the next step is to set our compass so that the width of our compass is equal to the length of the shorter line. Having set the compass equal to the length of this line, we're going to draw a circle centered on this point here. So we'll draw that circle now. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to mark the 2 points where that circle intercepted our line. So the distance from the center of our circle to the red point is equal to the length of one side of our triangle. What we wish to do now, because this is a right angle triangle, is we wish to create a line perpendicular to this line through this given point. So if you can't remember how to do this, this is construction number 4. But basically, we'll draw a circle centered around this point here, another circle centered around this point here, and we want the radius of these two circles to be the same, and we want them to intersect, so the radius must be greater than half the distance between the 2 points. So we'll draw the first circle here. And now we'll draw the circle around this point with the same radius. So having drawn those two circles, we're going to draw a line from our point here through this point of intersection, and that line will be perpendicular to this line here. Okay, so our construction is almost complete. What we need to do now, we have the right angle, so we need to put in the hypotenuse. To do that, we are going to set our compass width equal to the length of this line, and we will draw a circle centered on this point here, and that circle will have a radius length equal to the length of the hypotenuse. So we'll draw that circle now. Okay, so if we mark here where our circle intercepted our perpendicular line, and if we now draw a line between these 2 points, our construction is complete. So I'll just highlight these 2 lines. Okay, so this green line we can see is radius length of the first circle we drew. We know this line here is perpendicular to this green line, and we know this purple line is equal to the length of our hypotenuse because it's on a circle whose radius length is equal to the length of the hypotenuse, and so our construction is complete.